All right, guys, welcome back. So today we're going to make sure we update our assignment sheets a little bit different. Number 2 is going to be our unit rate prior knowledge packet. So if you have not written that, write it down now. Number 3 is 8.5D. Scatter plots, trend lines, and you can just put ... because that's a long title. Now, for this 6 weeks, I have updated the assignment sheet to match how your grades are reflected on Skyward. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go down to the major grades, and we're going to put in our major grade for this. Number 1 major grade is Unit 6 Transformations. Okay, now that grade might change by the end of this class period because we're going to have an opportunity to do test corrections on these now. So first things first, we're going to take out unit rate prior knowledge, and what I'm going to ask you to do is I'm going to show you the answers for all of them starting with the very last one, but we're going to count off for the ones you miss on the first page. Okay, so we're going to check all of our work, but the first page is your TEK, your 8th grade TEK. That's what you need to be able to do. The front and back of the first page, those are the ones we're going to count off if you don't have it wrong. I mean, if you don't have it right. So, starting with 41. I'm going to go quickly here. Okay. All right. C on 41 is donkey. B is lion. A is frog. For 40, C is 30. B is driver A, and A was driver C. For 39, C was 50 cents, B was $202.50, and A was oranges, peaches, and blueberries. Number 38, D is elephant, C was bunny, B is elephant, A is snake. Let's go to 37, working backwards. C is 221,480, B was 12,430, A was 41,245. 36. C 7,354.1, 35 minutes for B, and 11,256.25 meters for A. 35. 75 pounds for C, 16 months for B, and A was 3 1/8 pounds, or 3.125 pounds. Working backwards. 34. The unit rate was 3.5 cups of flour per cup of sugar. 33 is 40 miles per hour. 32 is 12 pounds per year. 31 is 9 deer per square miles. 30 is $23 per game. 29 is $1.08 per pound. 28 is 4 paws per dog. 27 is $9 per hour. 26 is 7 hours per day. 25 is 12 minutes per mile. 24, 8 1/3 miles for C. B is 21 3/5 minutes. A is 2 7/9 miles, or 2.78 miles. 23 is 300 hours. 2.25 gallons, and 0.09375 gallons, or 332 gallons per hour. Number 22nd, 11.25 meters. B is 16 minutes. A is 3/8, or 0.375 meters per minute. Keep working backwards. 21. 225 minutes for C, 40 miles for B, and A was 16 miles per hour, or 0.27. If you got it close, that's fine. 0.27 miles per minute. Okay? If you're anywhere in the ballpark, count them right, because remember, these are just estimations and predictions. So 20, 15 hours, $96 for B, and $16 per hour for Jake's salary. Number 19, 500 minutes for C. B was 100 gallons, and A was 5 gallons per minute. Okay? Now, you're going to count these off. For any one that you missed, they're going to be 5 points apiece. Okay? If you did not do them, count them wrong. Number 18, 5.83 alligator attacks, or one crocodile attack. Number 17, 5 miles per gallon. Number 16 is 38 cents per ounce. Number 15 is 1.5 sharks per cubic mile. Number 14, 8 1/3 calories per minute. Number 13 is 8 points per hour. Number 12 is 0.4 points per shot. Number 11, 2.86 meals per pound. Number 10 is 30 minutes per line. Going to the very front page. Okay, this one we did together. This one was, the elevator was going down 5 feet per second. Number 8, we sold 50 cents per candy bar. Number 7 is $20 per foot of fencing. Number 6 is 60 calories per taco for nutrition. Number 5 is 75 pages per 1 hour of reading. Number 4 is 60 miles per hour. That's distance traveled. Number 3 is 20 words per minute. Number 2 is 25 pounds per bag. And number 1 is $40 per week. Okay? So, these are 5 points apiece for only the first 18 problems. Okay? Go ahead and put number 2 on the top left-hand corner and your grade in the top right-hand corner. Put your grade right here. I will check it when I check your math folder. Okay, and make sure that it's complete. You graded it properly, and I'll put your grade in. Raise your hand right now if you have any questions on the first one. All right, so let's move to number 3. This is going to be number 3. It's 8.5D, scatter plots and trend lines, day 1. All right, I'm going to go a little bit quicker on this one. All right, so we're going to count off, again, 5 points for each one that you missed. Number 1 was B. Number 2 is D as in dog. Number 1 is B as in boy. 2 is D as in dog. 3 is D as in dog. 4 is C as in cat. Now 5, I'm going to accept either B or C, okay, for either one. It's either B or C is the correct answer. Number 6 is C as in cat. Let's turn it over. Number 7 is $125, A. 8 is B. 9 is figures 1 and 3. 10 is figures 1 and 2, C. Number 11 is D as in David. And number 12 is C as in cat. Okay, these are 5 points apiece. Put your grade in the top right-hand corner and make sure your grade is in your math folder properly. If you do not understand this one, you know where your rear end needs to be when it comes time for tutoring. All right, last thing we're going to do, pay attention closely. All right, so we're going to look at CBA 6 and we're going to figure out what we need to do test corrections on. Number 1 was B. Circle that. Circle each correct answer so you know what the correct answer was. And then those that you missed, you're going to do test corrections for. Those are going to be posted. Those are already posted in Canvas. Number 2 is B. Number 3 was D as in dog, smaller. Let's turn it over. Number 4 was D as in dog, because if A, the scale factor, was smaller, it had to be less than 1 to be smaller. Number 5 was A, it got bigger, and this is the only one where the scale factor was greater than 1. 6 is C as in cat. Number 7 is B as in boy. Number 8 is B as in boy. Number 9 is B as in boy. Number 10 is the last one. It should have been D. Number 11, A. Number 12, B as in boy. Number 13, B as in boy. And 14, D as in dog. Okay? So, this is simply to know what you need to do test corrections on. You should already have a grade. You should already have a grade from Edugence. You can write that here, and you can add back half credit for each one, and I'll tell you once you complete what you need to do. You can add back 4 points for each one that you do correct. Add back 4 points, and then you can put your final grade right here. Dang it.